Ready, steady, go!
Gaven Toy Stories.
Hello guys!
Hello guys.
Today we will do a test. Flight test. Gaben will do the flight test and we will going to make a paper plane. Like this one, a paper plane, a paper bird, and a paper bat. And we will going to test them. Which of them will be last longer in the air? Right, Kevin?
Yes.
We will go out later. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. And we have 3 papers here. What color is this, Kevin?
A red.
A red one. How about this?
Ooh, yellow.
A yellow and
Purple.
a purple one. Okay, so now we will going to begin with the purple. So this purple we're going to make a paper bat. Okay, let's begin. With the violet paper we're going to do the paper bat. First we're going to fold like this. There you go. There is the bat, paper bat. So we're going to test that, right, Gavin?
Yes.
Okay, and next one we'll do the paper plane. This is how you make a paper plane. Just need this one. There you go, a paper plane. That's a paper plane, right, Kevin?
That tastes good.
It is the paper bird. So we need this color red, and we need a square one. So we're going to fold like this. Now we have here a paper bird. Are you ready, Captain?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going out to test the flights. Okay guys, here we go again, and Gaben will do the flight test on the airplane first. Okay Gaben, show the airplane, paper airplane to the camera. That's a paper airplane, and we're going to test. Okay, Gaben. We will going to test them, and which of them will going to last long in the air. Okay, Gaben, are you ready? Yes? Okay. Ready? Steady? Go! Whoa! That was 1 and 13 seconds with the paper plane. Okay, we'll do the next one. And the next one that we're going to test will be the paper bat. Show to the camera, Gaben. Paper bat. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready, Gaben?
Yes.
Okay. Ready, steady, go! Whoop. Whoa, that was 0.56 seconds. Whoa, nice one, Gaben. Okay, that was the paper bat. So, and then the last one will be the paper bird. Show to the camera, Gaben. The paper bird. Yay! Okay, Gaben, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Ready, steady, go! Whoa! That was 0.85 seconds with the paper bird. Right there. And it seems that the winner of this flight test is the airplane. Airplane that takes 1.13 seconds. So yeah, the winner of this is the airplane. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching our videos. Come, Gaben, and say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe.